thought process in the creation of your plane?
First, our primary thing to get done is to separate the center of balance and center of pressure. And the way that we got the center of balance as most forward as we could is to, at the nose of our plane, we filled it up with water, which would automatically move it forward. And to move the center of balance backwards, we put tail fins to create as much surface area as possible. And also that would provide more stability for the plane, which would benefit both things in both flight and center pressure. How did you and your group determine the length and shape of the wings?
Well, it was kind of confusing for us, but we decided to like logically think about it, and one of the group members remembered that the length of the bottle has to be equal to the length of the wings, or vice versa. So like the length of one wing would be the length of half the bottle, and the other wing would be the other half, so it would be in all the same length of the plane. And we took that into account, and that's basically how we decided the length. But when we used the width, we used the same kind of idea with the width of the bottle. And since we didn't want exactly a square shape of a wing, we kind of made it we made the end of the wing half the width, so it had like a small decline.
Just straight 50%.
Okay.
Don't get me wet.
By now you're probably wondering how much water did we know to put in our plane. Now by these coming videos you will see that it was basically test and see what happened. Throughout this montage of kind of test flights that we did, there's going to be a lot of different outcomes. Like one plane didn't go far and then one went a lot farther. But what we ended up doing was deciding to put half water and half air based on Newton's second law, mass times acceleration, because the acceleration is the air pushing all the water outwards, and the water is the mass. This is our plane after test day. It's pretty good, very in shape. The nose of the bottle is still unbroken, surprisingly. We found out that we have to move the wings up and add more weight to the front in order to keep it gliding for longer, so it can get more distance. So we're gonna do that, and then we'll come back.
Okay, so what are you doing?
Right now, I have to completely detach the wing so we can move it up forward, because when we added the water during our test day, we changed our center of balance, having to move the wings forward.
Alright, so this is our final plane. Hope it flies. I have a lot of confidence in this. We adjusted the wings, and we tried to move the wings forward. It did not work. We moved it back. That's just terrible. It was so bad.